if you are now the board, okay, and you are assessing me to see, am I flying the particular plane? It could be the finance plane or the tech plane or, whatever it is. And if I show up and go, hello, I'm Caroline. Thank you so much for inviting me, and it's great to see you. And today I'm going to be talking about our finance projections for the next quarter. And why are you not liking me? Obviously, I'm not saying that, but in my head I'm going, please smile, someone smile. Oh, and as the board, what happens to you? You start to lose interest because I'm supposed to be flying the plane. And it's like if, imagine Richard Branson getting on a flight and it's a Virgin flight and the pilot says, hey, Richard, it's so great you're on the flight. Take over. Those senior leaders, they don't want you to stop flying the plane just because they're in the room. They want you to fly your plane. So if your question was about handling challenging senior stakeholders, there is a magic pill, which is, for some people, if you know your values are high dog, that's a lovely thing. It makes you a really great team player. It makes you a great leader. But sometimes you just have to sound like you're flying the plane. And it's not personal. You don't have to do it for very long. It will make those high task players like that Navy chap go, she's got this, she's got us. There is no value judgment on these. Good humans are good at task when they have to get people out of the metaphorical building because there's a fire or because they're flying the plane. And good humans care about people, engage, lead teams, slow down, connect. Partly it's cultural. I know when I work with Italians, you always have to go out to lunch first. Some cultures do just forefront relationship. And sometimes if I work with Scandinavians or Russians, the Nordics, sometimes you got to get the task first and then they'll take you out to lunch.